Welcome to another episode of Cannabis Tech Talks, powered by Shopline in association with ICBC and MJ BizCon. I'm Mary Jane Gibson, and I'm here with Tony Pagni, co-founder and owner of Perfectionist Rolling Equipment. Hello.
Glad to be here.
Glad to be here. How's your conference going?
It's good.
Good.
You never know what to expect at these shows. Sometimes they're really big, sometimes they're not as big. It's a good show this year. A lot of active buyers visited us this year, specifically from states like Minnesota, New York, where the markets are starting to open. So we've been very happy so far.
Can you tell me about Perfectionist Rolling Equipment? I love that. I mean, it's what's in the name, right?
What's in the name?
Detail-oriented, obviously.
Very detail-oriented, unique story. I'll make it quick. So my business partner and I, Justin Kreidner, we owned a dispensary in Phoenix, Arizona from 2015 to about 2020 when we sold it, as well as manufacturing facilities in state of Washington. And there was a logjam with pre-rolls. We just couldn't get the pre-rolls done. There's too many pre-rolls out of our dispensary. So we thought up an idea to create a pre-roll automation machine. And it took us 2.5, 3 years to really perfect it, but 2021 came the launch of the Apehex automated pre-roll machine. So that's an important story, I think, because number one, we're cannabis guys. So we built a machine in our own vision because we needed a machine, and it happened to turn into a business for us, an international business, which is nice. And we're lucky enough to have Josh Kesselman, who's the founder of Raw Rolling Papers, the owner of HBI International. He's our business partner. So he believed in the project extremely as well. So that's Perfectionist Rolling Equipment. That's just that's the tip of the iceberg of some of the things we do, but we're known for our Apehex pre-roll machine.
So I wanted to talk to you about your partnership with Josh, because it sounds like you have some upcoming projects in partnership with Raw and HBI. Can you tell me about that?
Sure. So we're launching a licensing. We have a licensing company called Juiced Powered by Juicy, and it's the same ownership group. It's myself and Justin as part owners, and then Josh Kesselman as the other owner. And we are licensing out brands now to the cannabis industry across the country. Our first launch was Juiced Powered by Juicy, which is a infused and flavored pre-roll, either in a 3-pack or a 5-pack. And we launched that months ago. I think we're in 4 or 5 states right now, and it's doing very well. Again, it's a licensing deal, so we have a manufacturer set up in each state who follows our SOPs, makes the product, distributes the product. We do some of the sales, they do some of the sales, so it's working out nicely. And what we just launched in California, and as a matter of fact, won first place for the solventless vape category out of California in the MJ show, is rosin. So picture this: RAW, the raw logo, SIN, sin, 2 little devil horns. So it's a solventless cartridge, rosin cartridge that we launched, and that's really what we're going to be focusing on in the next 6-7 months. We have plans to be in every state where there's cannabis with this brand.
Wow, I feel like you must be really harnessing that sort of move towards solventless and away from some of the other kinds of extractions, right?
Solventless is where it's at. That's what people want. They want something that's clean. They want something that they know is going to work and medicate them. So that's it's not just a buzzword. Solventless is really going to take off and I think dominate the market.
Do you feel like the rise in solventless, or the demand for solventless, is sort of related in any way to the vape crisis that happened a few years ago, with that whole, the sort of popcorn lung thing that was reported on widely by the media as being, it sort of got blamed on cannabis, I think.
It has a lot to do with it, I think.
Yeah.
I'm not a doctor.
Right.
I don't understand the popcorn lung, but when you hear solventless, what does that word say? There are no solvents in this material, so people feel more confident and comfortable vaping something without solvents.
And can you tell us about the Juicy products? What are they infused with, and what are the flavors?
So you put me on the spot on the flavors. I can name a few of them. It's a so it's flour. It's high grade flour that's infused with natural terpenes for flavor, and then we use a company called Xylem, and we use their Xylem Y1 machine to inject each pre-roll after it comes off the apex, because each manufacturer does have to have an apex. It's because we know it makes a perfect joint, a perfect pre-roll. So it's infused with distillate oil, good high quality distillate oil, just kind of like a hash hole, as well as the terped up flour to give it that flavor. And right now the profiles are all fruit flavors. You know, we have grape, we have blue raspberry, we have watermelon, we have peach. Just to name a few, I think there's 7 or 8 in total right now.
How did you enter the cannabis space? What's your backstory?
So I don't come from the cannabis or smoking world. Myself, my business partner Justin does. Back in 2014, we were approached by a group who needed funds to open their dispensary in Phoenix. Because in Arizona, you had 3 years once you got a license to open your door. And if you didn't, they could take your license back. So they were right at the edge of that 3-year mark, and they needed financing. So Justin and I got in through the financing door and negotiated a nice portion of the business. And that really started everything. We sold it in 2020 to a company called Jars out of Michigan. It was the right time to get out in Arizona because it was right before it went recreational legally. And, people were just coming in wanting to buy licenses. More importantly, Apex was really starting to dominate our world. So we needed to really focus on that because that was going to grow into something large, which it has.
Do you travel a lot for your business?
I travel a lot. I'm the only person that sells and places the machine. So, that's probably a little bit overbearing. But, if you want something done right, do it yourself. I trust myself.
Perfectionist rolling.
Perfectionist rolling equipment. I would like to be able to learn how to trust other people to sell our machines. So I have to figure out how to do that. But yes, I travel a lot. Most of my job is traveling to do on-site demos for the machine. I'll find an interested party. I'll pair them up with one of my current customers that has an Apex, because what better way to sell a machine than to actually watch it work live in a facility? It's the easiest job I've ever had, I got to admit, for selling equipment, because it works. People see it. They're convinced. So to answer your question, yes, I have all the top tiers on American Airlines and Bonvoy, and I'm not plugging anybody, but I just do. It's.
You get access to all the lounges.
I'm going to London for no charge after Christmas because of all my miles. So thank you for the travel.
Wow. And do you travel internationally with the equipment?
Canada right now. We don't have anything internationally for a few reasons. Besides Canada, Canada's like America when it comes to their standards and the electric. When the EU is our next target, but with the EU, there's a lot of safety things and compliances that we have to make sure our machine is ready for to bring to the EU.
Right.
Not to mention, we don't have a physical location there. And if a customer needs service or they need training, we have to be able to service them. And flying from Phoenix to Europe is costly and time consuming. So we will eventually have a Perfectionist Rolling Equipment Europe division, hopefully within the next year.
Once you find the right person who you can rely on.
The right person. Fortunately, we have one of our technicians named Jonas. He kind of runs the service department. His brother lives in Germany. So possibly he's a fit. So we're investigating that right now.
So if someone wants to work with you as the owner of Perfectionist Rolling Equipment, how do they reach out and where do they find you?
Our website. Someone wants to reach out and inquire about, being a technician or various other positions that we usually hire.
Well, you're hiring.
Not currently. We will be soon. We're going to be hiring more on the juiced side, the rosin side of things. Because that's going to expand pretty rapidly with Josh Kesselman being the face of that brand, and Josh wanting that brand to be everywhere. So best marketing piece in the whole world.
Yeah, he's a great representative.
He's an excellent representative.
He's always out there having a good time.
He's a good guy. People like him. He's friendly. What you see is exactly what you get. With Josh, he's the exact same behind closed doors as he is when he's out in the public, and it works. People like him.
Well, congratulations on that partnership and
Thank you.
your growth as a company. And
Thank you.
sounds like an exciting era.
A lot of nights of lost sleep over the past 5 years, as you can imagine. But we work hard, we make a good product, and we take care of our customers. That's really the most important thing. It's an excellent machine. It's not perfect by any means, but when customers need us, we're there.
And then they get you in the package as well, right?
I don't know if that's a benefit for them. Maybe.
I'm going to say it is. I'm going to say it's a win.
Well, thank you. That's very nice.
Thank you, Tony, for chatting with us.
Yes, thank you.
Where do people find you online? What's your website?
Sure. So it's www.apexusa.com, and it's spelled APEHEXUSA.com. All my information's on there. My cell phone number's on there.
Whoa.
Feel free to reach out to me.
Call.
No, seriously, it's okay. Call me.
Awesome. You heard it from Tony. Give him a call.
Yes.
Thank you for tuning into another episode of Cannabis Tech Talks powered by Shopline in association with ICBC and MJ BizCon. Please hit like and subscribe to our podcast and follow us at Canna Tech Today. Thanks, Tony.
Thank you. All right.